Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for simonsaysstamp.com, and I'm here to tell you about our brand new craft glue. It is called the Positively Perfect Craft Glue, and I'm going to show you a few reasons why. So we have two new bottles. The large one is a 2-ounce bottle, and then the small one is a 1/2 ounce bottle. This glue is a bit thinner than our regular craft tacky glue, and the applicator tips are fine and small, so you can deliver small amounts of glue onto your projects. I like to store my bottles upside down, and I just have a glass votive jar, and they're ready for me to use at any time because the glue is down at the tip. We all like to stack our die words up so that we can have some dimension, and this Positively Perfect Craft Glue is perfect for this. You can just add small dots to the back of your die cut and then place it on top of a secondary die cut to get some dimension. Once you have your die cuts stacked together, you can add some glue to the back and then place it onto the shadow piece and adjust as needed. This glue does dry faster than the regular craft tacky glue, so you have about a minute to adjust your piece before it dries. You can quickly create shaker cards by adding the glue to your paper and then setting your acetate on top. Since this does have a lower profile and is a thinner glue, it will dry quickly and it won't seep out from the sides. And if you're like me, I have a little bit of trouble getting things straight on my cards. So I have some foam tape on the back of my paper. I'll be adding a couple drops of the Positively Perfect Craft Glue, and this will give me a little bit of time so I can adjust this and get it straight. And of course, this glue is also perfect for gluing paper to paper. I'm just adding a fine line of the glue, and I'm going to add my little message to the bottom. So again, I can just set it down. I have a little bit of time to move it around and get it straight before it adheres in place. The Positively Perfect Craft Glue is also the best glue to add your embellishments. Here I'm just going to place some sequins on a dot of the glue. And once I have them placed, they're nearly dry and won't fall off. I do like to glue my panels to my note cards, and for this one I'll be using the larger bottle since I'll be adding more glue to the background. So I'll just start by outlining the panel all around the edges. And you can see how quickly and smoothly this glue delivers. So once I have the outside done, I'll add a few swirls to the center. And now I can add it to my note card, and I have a little bit of time to make sure I have the margins all around the sides lined up before I press this down in place. One of the things I do like to do is to use my bone folder and run it over the top to make sure that my paper sits flat. And next, for one of the most exciting things for me, is this glue will allow me to glue down vellum onto my cards without showing from the front. So I'm going to add some glue first to the center of the flower where I have a white embossed image, and then I can add a few dots towards the outside of the flower. And once I flip this over and press it onto my card, the Positively Perfect Craft Glue becomes invisible. So to recap, you can use this on acetate and vellum, on the back of your foam strips or foam squares to give you some time to adjust your project. Paper to paper works really well, and also use it on your sequins and embellishments for a quick hold. It does dry quicker than a regular craft tacky glue, and the small applicator tip delivers a fine line of glue for gluing down small pieces. And finally, the Positively Perfect Craft Glue comes in the 2-ounce bottle and also the 1/2 ounce bottle. And most importantly, it dries clear and to a matte finish. I hope my tips and tricks for using the Positively Perfect Craft Glue by Simon Says Stamp has been helpful. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and also check out our other quick tip videos for all your crafting needs. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.